I know you would like to create this type of whiteboard animation. Watch this video to the end to learn how to do so.
A is for apple. Juicy, crunchy, and perfect for pie. No wonder it's the teacher's favorite snack. B is for balloon. Bright, bouncy, and perfect for a party. Just don't let it go.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a whiteboard animation like you are watching on the screen.
C is for cat, the perfect pet with 9 lives, or so they say.
If you're new, first go to ChatGPT and paste my prompt that basically tells ChatGPT to create a fun and engaging whiteboard animation using letters. It will go ahead and create this in a tabular form, which is going to be easy for me to use in my other AI tools. So having generated it, head back to Canva, click on create design, then click on video, then go to elements and type in cartoon background. Don't forget to go to graphics, then search for any cartoon background of your choice, then set as background. Go back to elements and type in letter A, scroll. I think I like this better, the one with the eye. Adjust it, return back to elements and type in apple. Now choose any apple of your choice in graphics, adjust it and place it here. Next, go to text, then click on add a heading, then type apple. Click on font and change the font size to any one of your choice. I'll just pick this. Next, go to animate, then click on typewriter, reduce the speed of the animation, then click on letter A, scroll down to where you have wiggle, reduce the intensity. To do the same thing for apple, click on animate, go to wiggle, reduce the intensity to. Back to ChatGPT and pick the script and voice for letter A, return to Play HT, which is a text to voice AI tool, and drop it there. In Play HT, click on the human icon with the name Sarah to change your voiceover artist. Just scroll over till you see the one you like. Then click on speed to increase or reduce the speed of your voiceover. Having done that, go to generate speech to generate your voiceover. Just click on the generate button. Then you can also decide to preview your voiceover or speech. Having done that, at the right hand side, click on this arrow to download your voiceover. I'll head over to ChatGPT and copy the script for letter B, go to Play HT and paste it, then generate the speech like this. You can preview it if you want, or you can just go ahead and also download it at the right hand side by clicking on this drop down arrow. I'll go to ChatGPT, pick the script for letter C, paste it in Play HT. Then I'm going to generate it, preview, then also go ahead to download it. Next, I'm going to go to Adobe Express. In character, make sure your category is on all, then scroll down until you find this popcorn guy, then go to browse, click on it and bring your first voiceover from Play HT, that is the letter A, wait for it to animate. And if you're still watching to this point, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to also share and leave a comment. Once it is animated, click on download, then click on back, click on replace audio, then click on browse, bring on the audio for letter B and also wait for it to animate. This is that for my voiceover audio. I use Play HT. It is a free text to audio tool. You can also use 11 Lab, but it is paid. I haven't animated my character. I'll just go ahead and also click on download in order to download my animated character for letter B like this. Then click on back, then replace audio, bring your audio for letter C, then wait for it to animate. Okay, just be patient. Now you can go ahead and download letter C, then you can go ahead and finish for the entire alphabet to Z. For about the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be doing letters A to C. Okay, so click on download, then head back to Canva, go to upload, then upload all the files you created in Adobe Express and Play HT. So now just be patient for it to upload. Next, I'm going to bring that of letter A, then remove the background. Just click on remove BG at the top to remove the background, resize it, then place it at the beginning of my design like this. Then play it and you can see that it is animated and it is so beautiful. Next, click on these three dots, then click on duplicate page, remove all the elements for letter B, then go to elements and type in balloon, because B is for balloon. So I'm just going to design this Canva with this cartoon background with balloons. So I'm just going to go ahead and design it. I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it while I design it. So I'm done designing it with balloon. Next, I'm going to bring the B for balloon. I'm going to bring the balloon here now. I'm going to place it at the right hand side. Then I'm going to go to elements and type in letter B. Go to graphics, then choose this letter B with the eyes. It's so cute. I haven't done that. I'm going to go to upload and bring in the animation for character animation for letter B. Click on remove background to remove the background, then I'll adjust it and bring it to the left hand side like this. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust it, then click on the apple and change it to balloon. Next, I'm going to animate letter B. Go to animate, click on wiggle, reduce the intensity, then click on the balloon, then animate, change it to wiggle, reduce the intensity too. Next, I'm just going to click on it for you to see the final work. I'm going to also duplicate this page, then click on the duplicated page, then remove all the elements for balloon and letter B like this. Next, I'm going to go to elements and type in flower. Click on graphics, then I'll choose flowers to decorate this cartoon background. I'm going to choose the first flower, place it in the middle, choose the second one, place it at the edge, then go ahead and choose this purple one and place it at the left hand side. I want to decorate with more flowers. I'm just going to click on this one, place it at the edge like this, duplicate it and place it, duplicate it one more time. Now you see, I think I like how it is coming up. Next, I'm going to go to graphics and type in sun. Then I'm just going to go through this sun and look at the one that I like. I'm going to choose this one. Then I'm going to resize it and place it in the sky of my background. Next, I'm going to type in bird. Yes, I want to animate the sky of my background. I'm going to choose this blue bird, paste it here. I don't know, I might animate the bird or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in letter C. Click on graphics, then choose this letter C with the eyes. It's so beautiful and it's already animated. You can see it moving. Then I'm going to go ahead and type in cats. Click on graphics, then choose this cat and place it at the right hand side. Then I'm going to change the balloon to cats. It's already animated, so I don't have to animate the letters again. I'm going to go to upload, click on this character and remove the background of the character. You can see, I haven't removed it. I'm going to resize it and place it at the left hand side. Now I'm going to animate my bird. Click on animate, then drag it from the beginning of the sky to the end. Reduce the speed and change the movement style to smooth. Haven't done that. I'm going to play it so that you can see. You can decide to animate your cat, but I didn't animate mine. Next, go to share, click on download and download each of these alphabet page as a PNG. I've done for apple. I'll go ahead and do for balloon, which is letter B. Click on share, download, then change it to PNG, then download it. Do the same for letter C, which is cats. Click on share, download, change it to PNG, then click on download to download it. Having downloaded the pages as PNG, go to the first alphabet page, click on these three dots, then click on add page. The moment you add the page, you drag it to the beginning of the video like this. Then next, hover between the letter A and letter B page. click on this plus button to add page. Then between the letter B and letter C, hover there and click on this plus button that says add page. Now you have added a blank page before every of your alphabet pages. Go back to the first blank page before letter A. Make sure you are there like this. Then return to apps, search Speed Painter. Then click on the first one. Next, click on upload file. Bring your first alphabet, that is letter A for apple. Don't forget to choose your sketch duration and your color fill duration. Then click on generate to generate the video. Now it has generated your whiteboard animation video. Next, don't forget to click on add to design so that you can add it to your blank page. Right click and set as background, you can see. Then click on play. Go to the next blank page for letter B. Then click on go back on your Speed Painter. Delete that of letter A. Just click on delete. Click on choose file to bring letter B. Then click on open. Once it's here, choose your sketch duration, your color fill. Then before you click on generate, wait for it to generate. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you are still watching up to this moment. Then click on add to design to add it to your blank page. Then right click and set as background. Next, go to your Speed Painter and click on go back. Delete that of letter B. Click on choose file to bring that of letter C. Click on open, then set the duration for sketch and color fill. Click on generate and wait for it to generate. Click on add to design to add it to your blank page. Right click and set as background. Now you have done that of letter C, and you can play it to see your whiteboard animation. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. Please do not forget to like and share. Thank you.